Dear students, I am Dr. Jaydeep Chakravarti, Head of the Department of Electrical Engineering Department of Indus University. I did my BTech from Sikkim Manipal University of Technology, Sikkim, MTech from BIT Mesra, Ranchi, and PhD from Shillong. I have total 18 years of experience, and during my entire teaching career I published numerous papers and almost 5 books. I am in Indus University for more than 5 years. As a faculty, what I have observed is that most of the students are very much confused in deciding their career after 12th, because the students have lots of options to choose from, and in the first go all the options are very lucrative and also very interesting. My advice to all the students will be that follow your dreams, see in which part you are good at and which part of your study is attracting you the most. To tell you something about the trend in the selection of the courses, even today the engineering course stands number 1 among the students to choose as their career after 12th. If you go to engineering, there are many other different branches in engineering like civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical engineering, communication engineering and many more. I am going to take you through a brief journey through electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is the core branch of engineering and one of the most sought out branch in engineering course. If you see, electrical engineering is an evergreen branch, because without electricity nothing will happen. We are going towards automation, but all automation instrument needs electricity. If there is no electricity, the entire world is dead. Electrical engineering has lots of potential to be applied in future. If you see, the entire electrical engineering course is of 4 years. In these 4 years, it is a good blend of teaching, that is education or a theory subject, followed by practical and followed by projects. In these 4 years, the electrical engineering students will be studying various domains. Entire electrical engineering course is divided into many domains like power system domain, machine domain, control domain, design domain, measurement domain, and the most upcoming on the recent domain is renewable energy domain. Whatever engineering field you choose, engineering is a blend of theory, practice followed by projects. Project comes from the practical courses that you take up in electrical engineering or any engineering course. If you see at my back, this is the project done by our Indus University Electrical Final Year Batch, 2015 Final Year Batch. This is a protection project. We are protecting the equipment. So we have a ABB digital relay. Mainly it is a application of relay that we wanted to show it to the students, and using this relay we are using a protective device to protect our equipment. In case of any fault, the device is protected and the relay gets operated, the device is protected. In the similar manner, this falls in the power system domain. In the similar manner, you can do project in control domain, machine domain and other domains of power system electrical engineering. So this projects also helps the student in getting placed in the company in the later stage, because this quality of the projects, if we show it to the recruiters, they get a better chance to get it recruited compared to other potential candidates. At Indus University in electrical engineering, we offer BTech in electrical engineering, MTech in power engineering and PhD courses. At Indus University, the course curriculum is designed in such a way after taking feedback from the industry people, so that we can incorporate the latest trends that is happening in the industry into our syllabus. And also our syllabus and practicals are designed in such a way that latest trends are included in the practical session also. Our entire final year course is projects, which we call it final year projects, where we encourage the students to take up industry defined projects, where industry problems are given to the students and the students apply their theoretical knowledge to solve those problems. This helps the students in 2 ways. Number 1, it helps the students to interact with the company people, and it helps in getting placement for the students in the same company. Also, at Indus University, the placement session starts right from the 3rd year itself. That is, while you are studying electrical engineering, your placements will be there and you will be appearing for various placements depending on your stream from the 3rd year itself. So, if you are selected during your course, then your final year projects will be in the same company where you have been selected. So, this is the USP of the Indus University courses. Also, I will say that after getting BTech, there are many areas where you can get placed, like in Ahmedabad you will be getting placed, there is a potential to get placed in UGVCL, MGVCL, VGVCL, Tata Power, Reliance Power, and also some multinational companies like ABB, Reliance. We can even the students get placed in Indian Navy, Indian Railways and many other places. There is a potential also for the students to become energy auditors. After getting BTech degree, a student can take a course of energy auditing, which is an offline course and also an online course. The student have the option for both. Once you clear that course, you will be a certified energy auditor. Nowadays, companies and industry people are recruiting energy auditors for their energy auditing purposes, which the government has made it mandatory. Even nowadays, if you see, government are giving most weightage to electric vehicles. So, what I feel, there is a huge potential of electrical engineer in electric vehicle fields, especially in the design of charging stations, which will gain momentum in the coming few years. So, for me, electrical engineering course is a very good course for the student to select and get placed in a very reputed company. For any query, you can visit us at our campus or call us at the following numbers.